Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we will solve some more problems in exercise 1.1. Now let us solve third problem. Use division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p comma 3p plus 1. Now let us start with proof. Here, by comparing with the a is equal to bq plus r, this is Euclid division algorithm or Euclid division lemma. Here quotient divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here divisor comparing with this is the divisor. So let us identify the divisor. Divisor is 3. Quotient, we have to prove that one. Reminders, when divisor is 3, what is the possible reminders? Possible reminders are 0, 1, 2. Euclid's division algorithm. Okay. When the number is in the form of 0, 1, 2, reminders are 0, 1, 2, then the number, any number can be written in the form of any number can be written in the one of the form of 3 into k plus 0. If you divide any number, some number is there a, if we divide with 3, you may get some quotient. After subtraction, you may get 0, or you may get some one remainder, or you may get two remainder, 0 or 1 or 2. You won't get 3. More than 3, more than 2, you won't get remainders. Then the number, the numbers are can be written in the form of 3k plus 0 or 3k plus 1 or 3k plus 2. These are the possible divisions. Now let us square the each number. Take 3k, square of 3k is equal to 3k whole square, that is equal to 9k square, and this is divisible by 3. So we can write this one as 3 into 3k square. That means if we divide 9k square by 3, we may get remainder here 0. So let 3k square is equal to p. Because of the problem, the variable is p is given, so you take p only. If the variable is m given, you have to take m. This is an integer. This is an integer that may be p, any number. So 9k square is equal to 3 into p. The first one is proved. Now take second form of the number, 3k plus 1 whole square. Here a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b. This is a, this is b, 2 into a into b plus b square. Now expand this one, 9k square. Here 2 3 are 6, 6 into 1, 6k plus 1. Now you can take common factor in these two number, 3 as common factor in these numbers. So if you take common factor, 3 3 ja 9, so 3k square plus 3 2 ja 6, 2k plus 1. Now if you divide this expression by 3, you will get remainder 1. So this 3k square plus 2k is an integer. So let 3k square plus 2k is equal to p, an integer. Here also an integer. Now 3k plus 1 whole square, this one can be written as 3 into p, 3 into the total. This one is an integer, 3 into p plus 1. The second one is proved. Now let us take third one, 3k plus 2 whole square, a square plus 2ab, 2 into 3k into 2, 2 into a into b. This is take a, this is b, 2ab plus b square. This is b, this is ab. So 3k square means 9k, 3k whole square means 9k square. Here 3 to ja 6, 6 to ja 8, 8k. Here 2 square is equal to 4. Now we can readjust this one. 3k square, sorry, 3 6 ja 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12 plus 12k. Here 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. Now take the common factor in this. 3 as we can take 3 common factor in these 3 numbers. 3 3 ja. So 9k square. 3 4 ja 12. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. If we divide 9k square by 3, we get 3k square. 12k by 3, 4k. 3 3 ja 3 by 3, 1. Now let this total number as p. This is p. If you substitute any number, any k value, you will get a fixed number taken as p, an integer. Then 3k plus 2 whole square can be written as 3 into this 3 into p plus 1. So this is the also second form. Now we can conclude that square of any positive or integer, positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. We can check, taking an example, we can check. Take 4, square of 4. 4 square equals 16. If you divide 16 by 3, 3 5s are 15, you will get 1 remainder. See here, 1 remainder. If you take any number 9, 9 square, 81. 81 divided by 3, 3 2 ja 6, 21, 3 7 ja 21, you will get remainder 0 here. 3 into 27 plus 0, the first case. 3 into 5 plus 1, the second case. In this way, if you take any number and square it, and you will get a number. If you divide the number by 3, you will get 0 as remainder or 1 as remainder. Okay. Now let us solve one more example. Square of any number. Square of any number can be written in the form of 5m positive integer is of the form 5m or 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4, where m is a whole number. Or positive integer. Let's say that. Now here, by observation, we can see that here 5 is here. So by comparing with Euclid division lemma, Euclid division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. Here B is equal to 5. B means divisor. Divisor is 5. Then possible remainders, zero or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If we divide any number by 5, the numbers can be written in the form of, the numbers can be written one of the form of 5m plus 0 or 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 2 or 5m plus 3 or, so here already m integer is here, so we change the variable. For that we should not take m here because already integer variable is there. Let us take one more another number, another integer. So here 5k, 5k plus 1, 5k plus 2 and 5k plus 3 or 5k plus 4. Now the question, if we observe in the question, square is there. Square of any positive integer is the form of. So we have to do the square of these numbers. Find the square of these numbers. So let us take first one, 5k. Square of 5k. Square of 5k means 5k whole square, that is 25k square. We can take 5 as common factor here, so it can be written as 5 into 5k square. Now this bracket, in this bracket the number is there. Let 5k square is equal to, according to the problem, let us take here m and whole number, a whole number or integer, we can say like that. So this can be written as, now 5k whole square can be written as 5m. That means if the number is divisible by 5, this 25 square is divisible by 5, you will get remainder 0. There is no remainder. You can take 5k plus 1. The square of 5k plus 1, 5k whole square. A square, first one square, plus this is A, this is B. 2ab, 2 into A into B, plus B square. This is 25k square 2 5 are 10, 10k plus 1 square 1. We can take 5 as common factor. These two numbers are divisible by 5. Therefore, we can take 5 as common factor from these two numbers. The expressions 5 5 5 is 25, 5k square, 5 2 is 10, so plus 1. So let this number, this is a, let 5k square plus 2k is equal to m, an integer or whole number. You can take integer or whole number. Okay. Now this can be written as 5k plus 1 whole square can be written as this one, 5 into m plus 1. Now let us take one more number. Square of 5k plus 2, that is 5k plus 2 whole square. 5a square plus, this is a, this is b, a square plus 2ab, 2ab plus b square. This is 25k square, 2 5 is 10, 10 2 is 20k plus 2 square is equal to 4. Now if we divide this one with 5, you will get a factor, common factor here. So this is 5k square, 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. This is 4. Now let 5k plus 5k square plus 4k is equal to m, an integer, positive integer, or you can take whole number also. Whole number means here 0 also included. So then 5k plus 2 whole square can be written as here 5 into m. In the place, this place you have to substitute m. You will get 5m plus 4. In this way, the remaining two numbers can be squaring like this, and you will get the same result. Similarly, you can write like this. Similarly, 5k plus 3 whole square and 5k plus 3 whole square and 5k plus 4 whole square also in the form of the given numbers, either 5m plus 4 or 5m plus 1. Form of 5m plus 1 or 5m plus 4 or 5m. This is the conclusion of this problem. That means square of any number in the form of 5m plus 4, 5m plus 1, 5m means if you divide the square of any number with 5, you will get remainder 1 or remainder 4 or no remainder. Let us take an example here. Square of 6 square, that means 36. If we divide 36 by 5, 5 7 ja 35, and you will get remainder 1. In this way, you may get remainder 4 or remainder 1 or remainder 0. If you divide the any square of any number, you will get remainder 1, remainder 4 or remainder 0. Okay.